Good morning, children. Children, welcome to your EVS class. Hope you all are doing well, children. Children, in EVS, we have recently completed chapter number 8. Yes, na. Today, we will do something to do of chapter number 8. Alright? Take out your book, children, and the pencil. I'm giving you the answers. You mark the answer in your book. Okay? Okay, children, first question of something to do is fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. Okay, fill in the blanks with the words given in the help box. So again we have a help box here. We have to see the words in the help box and we have to choose the correct word from the help box and fill in the blanks. Okay, so let's see the words first. Okay, first word is clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Second is happy. Third is stories. Fourth is share. Fifth is park. And sixth is respect. Okay, clean, happy, stories, share, park and respect. Okay, now let's see the questions, children. A. Our parents feel dash when we help them. क्या हो सकता है? Our parents feel, आपके पेरेंट्स कैसा फील करते हैं जब आप उनकी मदद करते हो? खुश होते हैं ना? यस, खुश होते हैं. इसलिए आप यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? Our parents feel happy. Yes, our parents feel happy when we help them. Our parents feel happy when we help them. B is, so first question, our parents feel happy when we help them. Now second, we should dash our parents. हमें अपने पेरेंट्स का क्या करना चाहिए? इज्जत करनी चाहिए ना. So you will write respect here. We should respect our parents. Okay, we should respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect our parents. Okay, this is second question. Third is, all family members should dash the work. All family members should dash the work. Okay, घर में हम रहते हैं तो सबको हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा मिल के काम करना चाहिए ना, शेयर कर लेना चाहिए काम. I have told you, yes na, while reading while explaining the chapter, yes na. So all family members should share the work. Okay, share, S-H-A-R-E, share the work. D is, my grandfather takes me to the dash. My grandfather takes me to the park. Yes, my grandfather takes me to the park. Now come to E. My grandmother tells me dash. My grandmother tells me stories. 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 My grandmother tells me stories. Okay. Stories. Stories. Okay. Now F. We help in keeping the house clean. We help in keeping the house clean. 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 Okay. We help in keeping the house clean. Okay. So fill in the blanks. Completed. I'm repeating the answers once again. In A, our parents feel happy when we help them. Second, we should respect our parents. Third, all family members should share the work. Fourth, my grandfather takes me to the park. Fifth, my grandmother tells me stories. And sixth, we help in keeping the house clean. Alright? So, it is completed. Fill in the blanks. Now, question number 2 is, let's see question number 2. What do you and your family do together? You can color as many boxes as you wish. I'm repeating the question, children. What do you and your family do together? You can color as many boxes as you wish. Means कि आप और आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स साथ में ये जो नीचे काम दिया हुआ है इसमें से जितने भी काम आप लोग साथ में करते हैं उसको आप उस बॉक्स को आप कलर कर सकते हैं. आप जितने बॉक्स चाहें अगर आप वो करते हैं आप और आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स तो आप उतने बॉक्स को कलर कर सकते हो. ओके, लेट्स सी. प्ले गेम्स. क्या आप लोग गेम्स एक साथ खेलते हैं मम्मी पापा और बच्चे? बहुत सारे घरों में खेलते हैं मम्मी पापा और बच्चे एक साथ. तो आप इस बॉक्स को कलर कर सकते हैं. यस. प्रे. हाँ, प्रेयर तो पूरे घर के लोग एक साथ ही करते हैं ना. पूजा पाठ एक साथ करते हैं ना सब लोग. प्रेयर एक साथ. ओके, ये भी कर सकते हैं. सी अ मूवी. क्या आप अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठ के आइसक्रीम खाते हो? क्या आप अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठ के मूवी देखते हो? सी अ मूवी. इसको भी कर सकते हो. सिंग सॉन्ग्स. अगर आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ बैठ के सब लोग मिल के गाना गाते हैं तो आप इसको भी कलर कर सकते हैं. आप जो करते होंगे बेटा अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ या पूरी फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ उसी को कलर करेंगे. ओके, सबको नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, मैं सिर्फ मीनिंग बता दे रही हूँ. आप लोग जो जो एक साथ करते हैं उसको कलर कर दीजिएगा. ओके. गो शॉपिंग. शॉपिंग आप लोग सब एक साथ जाते हैं? अगर जाते हैं तो इसको भी कलर कर सकते हैं. विजिट रिलेटिव्स. किसी रिलेटिव के यहाँ जाना हो, किसी संबंधी के यहाँ, ओके, तो सब साथ में जाते हैं तो इसको भी कलर कर लीजिए. हैव आइसक्रीम. If you have ice cream together, all of you of your family, you can color it. Okay? Go for a picnic. If you go for picnic together, you and your family member, you can color it. Okay? Yes. Then listen to a story. Listen to a story. अगर सब साथ बैठते हैं और कोई स्टोरी सुनाता है, सब साथ में सुनते हैं, तो आप इसको कलर कर सकते हैं. यस ना. आई एम रिपीटिंग. प्ले गेम्स, प्रे, see a movie, sing songs, go shopping, visit relatives, have ice cream, go for a picnic, listen to a story. Okay, so there are many boxes. What you do together, you have to color that box. Yes, आप जो भी अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ करते हैं, आपको उस बॉक्स को आप कलर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो सेकेंड इज ऑल्सो completed. Okay, now we will see third one. Okay, third is, what work can you do? Write yes or no in the box provided against each statement. What work can you do? Write yes or no in the box provided against each statement. Children, आई थिंक कि आपके लिए दो वर्क जो मैंने पहले बताया, 1 and 2, यू डू दैट. ओके, आप सिर्फ उतना कर लीजिए, वही आपके लिए सफिशिएंट है. इसको हम लोग सिर्फ आज डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. आज इसको मत कीजिएगा, आप इसको दूसरे दिन करिएगा, क्योंकि ये तीसरा भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा आपके लिए. इट विल बी more than sufficient for you. Okay, so you do 1 and 2. Third you do another day. Okay, we are just discussing third today. All right, what work can you do? आप इन ये जो मैं सारी बातें बोलने जा रही हूँ, सारे पॉइंट्स, इसमें से जो आप कर सकते हैं उसमें यस लिखिएगा, जो आप नहीं कर सकते उसमें नो लिखिएगा. ओके. ए, I can clean the floor of my house. Can you clean the floor of your house? If yes, please write. I can fill water in the water bottles. I think you can do this. I can fill water in water bottles. Can you fill water in water bottles? It is easy work. Yes na? I think you can do. आप इसको कर सकते हैं. Okay? So you write yes. I can paint the walls of my house. No, you can't do. Can you paint the wall of your house? No, you can't. ये तो पेंटर का काम है ना, आप नहीं कर सकते. Yes. आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? You will write no here. You will write no. Okay. Then D is, I can buy vegetables from the market. I can buy vegetables from the market. Can you go to the market and buy vegetables? Is it possible for you? No, you can't do. Yes na? You can't. So write down no. Okay. E, I can hold my grandmother's hand when she goes for a walk. Yes, you can do this. Yes, I can hold my grandmother's hand when she goes for a walk. जब आपकी ग्रैंडमदर वॉक के लिए जाती हैं, आप उनका हाथ पकड़ के उनके साथ रह सकते हैं. ये तो आप कर सकते हो. Yes. F is, I can cook a meal. No, no, you are a small kid. How can you cook? It is risky. Yes. So write no here. You can't cook, isn't it? Now come to G. I can water the plants. Yes. It is easy work. You can do. Yes, na? You can water the plant, isn't it? You can pour water in the plant. Yes, na? So you can write yes here. Okay? Yeah. H is I can dust the furniture. I can dust the furniture. Yes. Can you dust the furniture? No, it is also a big work for you. You can't do. So write no here. Alright? I can fold clothes. Can you fold clothes? आप देखिए, अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो write down yes. If you can't, write down no. Okay? I can wipe plates. Can you wipe a plate? क्या आप प्लेट पोंछ सकते हैं? If you can, write down yes. If you can't, write down no. Okay? And last one is I can drive a car. Can you drive a car? No, you can't. Yes. So you will write no here. Okay, children? We have just discussed question number 3. No need to do it today. Okay? Do it another day. Okay? Just 1 and 2 you do 1 and 2 tomorrow. Alright? This is your homework. Do 1 and 2 tomorrow, and rest question number 3 you do some other day. Alright? Okay, children? So this was chapter number 8. We have completed chapter number 8. Chapter number 9 is very interesting, festivals. So we will do it in next class. Alright? Okay, children?